This is the destruction scene of the M1A1 Abrams of the Ukrainian army with the protective kit. The Ukrainian army has modified the tank with armor all around the turret in the form of a cage. Then Contact 1 explosive reactive armor tiles were also used. The drone hit the tank at the rear of the engine, making the tank immobile. This is called mobility kill or M-kill. Once the tank is stopped, then it is easy to hit the weak point. The second drone approached the tank and hit the turret top. From the second drone's view, it can be seen that the tank was stopped, meaning the first hit worked and the engine was out of action. As the third drone entered the scene, we could see that white smoke was coming out of the turret rear. The drone again hit the same location as the cage armor at this point was damaged before. The fourth drone also came and its hoovering at the tank side was shown, then the view from the fifth drone was shown which passes over the tank. Then video feed from the sixth or spotter drone shows that the ammunition burned inside the tank. This is a Russian strategy that keeps sending drones until substantial destruction is seen. In this case, drones were launched one after the other until there was a fire inside the turret and total destruction.